Hi everybody, Gary Williams here for Toolbarn.com's Barn Banter, and today we're going to talk about things like pressing, cutting, punching, crimping, and it all has to do with tools, not mixed martial arts. Stay with us, you'll get a kick out of it. We're here with Nathan Camp from Ridgid Tools, and Nathan has brought some really, I gotta say, awesome looking tools. These are cool. But these things have gone a long way toward taking the heat out of a lot of work processes. Would you kind of describe what they do and how they do it?
Sure. This is the RP200, and it'll do PEX, copper, and stainless steel.
Join them? Is that what you're talking
Fittings,
about?
correct.
Okay.
Yeah, when we're joining pipe together.
Right.
It's our compact tool, so it goes up to 1.25 inches in copper and stainless. And this is our full-size tool, the RP340, and it'll go all the way up to 4-inch
Okay.
copper and stainless.
So they both do the same thing. Obviously, they have different configurations, different capacities, but this, I would imagine, is pretty convenient for smaller types of jobs.
It is.
The design of it is certainly a little more compact.
Correct.
Yeah. And how effective are they compared, for example, to other methods of joining the pipes?
Well, when you're talking about soldering, it's quicker, you don't have any heat, and just as reliable.
Nate, show us how these things work. Would you give us an idea of what's involved?
Sure. This is your press fitting. Put it on your tubing, put it into the jaw, turn the tool on, we'll cycle through, release when it's done, and there you have it.
That's way too simple. That's just way too easy. I want to try that. I want to try that. Can I? Wow, that's pretty easy.
That is.
That's a lot easier than trying to solder that together,
Sure.
right? Very nice. Now this tool is very similar to one that we just looked at, except a key difference is that this is for electricians, right? So tell me about this one.
Okay, this is the RE6. Capacities on this tool are up to 750 MCM. It's got the quick change system. This is the dieless crimp head, so we're going to crimp a lug
Right.
out of this.
Right.
You can't open the top up. This pin remains stationary, and these three move.
Okay.
So,
Let's turn it sideways if we can. Can
Okay.
we do it that way so you can?
sure. Just place it in there and put it between the lines. Let it run through its cycle.
Oh, very nice. Yeah, you're not going to get that.
And there
You're
you have
not
it.
going to pull that apart, are you?
No.
Very nice.
So
Well, and the nice thing about this is that it's basically three functions in one tool.
Correct.
So you're not going to have to carry 3 tools or 2 tools. You just carry one with you.
That's right.
Show us a couple of the other things there, would
Okay.
you?
We'll use the scissor cutter head here. I'll just cut this lug off. And again, just run it all the way through its cycle.
Now let's do the knockout. The knockout punch, as
I've already got one set up here, so
Okay.
if you're on the side of your panel,
Right.
you can attach everything to it as it is. Get it onto your tool. You won't want to run this one.
Now show them. Yeah, let's do that. But show them the diameter as they exist in those holes right now, and then we'll show them post punch, post knockout.
And this knockout head is good for 12 gauge mild steel and 14 gauge stainless steel,
Okay.
up to 4-inch. And this one we're not going to want to run all the way through its cycle, simply because we don't want to dull the die.
All right.
And it does have a button back here that we can release the ram.
Okay.
There we have it.
Wow, that was fast and smooth. That was like a knife through butter, wasn't it? Very nice, very nice. Very efficient.
Yes, it is.
You can get a lot of work done that way.
Sure can.
Great. Hey, we're coming to you from inside of a drain pipe in a sewer somewhere. Okay, we're not really. But what you are seeing is our image on an inspection cam, the Ridgid Sea Snake Compact 2 inspection cam. And Ridgid has a number of these things, and they have great applications for sewer inspection and identifying problems, right? Tell me a little more about these.
This particular one has got a range of 1.5 to 6 inch. It's 100 feet in length, and it can record onto USB, and it's powered either by an 18-volt battery, or you can buy an optional AC adapter.
So from the professional's point of view, this is a great diagnostic tool and helps them get right to the problem without having to tear your driveway or your street or whatever up, right?
That's correct. And you can also locate the camera head by way of the onboard transmitter sonde. And it's also got a lug back here that you can clamp onto with a transmitter and induce a signal through the entire push cable.
Okay, so the guy that is trying to work on a sewer system can get right to the heart of the matter in a hurry and save time, save money, save energy on his part, and move on to the next job. And so really, anytime you talk about improvements in efficiency or the quality of the work, you're benefiting yourself if you're the professional, and you're benefiting your customers.
That's right.
Great, great. Cool tool. One of the nice features about Ridgid Tools, the battery-operated tools, is that you can run them off AC as well, which
Right.
is a great option to have because, you know, dead batteries are a pain in the neck, right?
That's right.
Look, if you're pressing, crimping, cutting, inspecting, or whatever you're doing, you guys have probably got a tool that'll take care of that, don't you?
I think we do.
And we've got that at toolbarn.com, so check it out on toolbarn.com. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
And thank all of you people for being with us, and we hope you join us next time.